Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you do not root to reverse, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it really happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store, and then you search for your Instagram. You need to make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now once you have updated your Instagram, just open your Instagram over here. Once you open your Instagram, you can see at the down right corner you can see your profile. Just click on that. Now once you click on your profile, you can see at the upper right corner the three lines over here. Just click on this three lines, and once you click on this three lines, you can see settings and privacy. Just click on settings and privacy, and once you click on settings and privacy, you can see notifications. Just click on notifications. Now once you click on notifications, you can see quiet mode. Just click on quiet mode and just click on turn off, and you can see over here you want to skip quiet mode instead. Just click on turn off quiet mode over here, and that's it. So with this you can easily turn off your quiet mode. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new